Hey guys, Matt here. So I just watched the earnings from Gevo, and I have to say, I am very pleased with this quarter by itself in a vacuum. Now there is a but at the end, but let's go over everything else first. So we'll start here at the estimates. They had an average estimate revenue of 26 million and an average EPS of 0.1. Happy to share that their let's see, where is it? Their revenue is 29 million for the quarter. That is a huge jump from last year, obviously, thanks to Red Trail. And that also means that they beat revenue. They beat it quite a bit. They came just below the high estimate, actually. And as far as EPS, they came at a 0.09, which also beats the average. So I gotta say, Gevo is doing pretty well. Their balance sheet is still looking pretty good. They dropped in cash, but that's fine. Their assets jumped up to 677 million. The liabilities jumped up to 203 million, but it's less than the assets, which is a good thing. And more importantly, their equity is bigger than their loans payable, than their debt. Now they are burning through cash, but I hope that, as they get closer and closer to positive EBITDA, which Patrick was touting during the call, and they are getting closer and closer to EBITDA. If we go back to the operating revenues, despite them taking on Red Trail, despite all that, their operating income, which I was paying attention to, is less than last year. So it is. There is still more to be desired, but this is going the right way, very much the right way during positive EBITDA. And Patrick did say that this is only with 2 months of Red Trail. So as the quarters ramp up, this is expected to get better and better. So we'll look to see if that's true or not. RNG generate income is positive. North Dakota, the Red Trail, is positive. Everything's going really well for Gevo this quarter. I can't complain, as long as you don't mention the net zero. Now, this is where we get to the but part. Now, Patrick Gruber, he did go over, as he does every quarter, about how great it's going to be and how things are going to be. He even talked about the need to, and he said this in previous quarters, the need to build a second plant alongside the first plant. But what he didn't give us are timelines. Now, I said in the last video that I didn't expect Patrick to come across to give us any additional input as far as the DOE loan or how close we are to actually constructing those things. And I didn't get it, but that doesn't mean I don't like the fact. That doesn't mean I like the fact that I didn't get it. This is the frustrating part about Gevo right here. They got everything in place. They got all the customers. They have customers. Highland wishes they had actual customers like Gevo. Nikola, they wish they had customers like Gevo. Gevo's in such a good spot, and all they have to do is build the damn thing, but they made a deal with the devil, and now they're paying for it. Almost 2 years later. If they ever build this plant, if they ever start construction, Gevo is more than good. They're solid. Or if they ever, now, in the beginning, it'll be negative. If Gevo decided to drop net zero, that will be a massive L because, everyone bought Gevo for net zero. But, as a company itself, they would go to positive EBITDA. So it's just really frustrating that, we keep having to wait all this time for a loan that may or may not go through. The good news is that one way or another, Gevo is most likely to survive, either with net zero or without net zero. Everything else is going well for it. I will give these earnings this is just first impressions, a C+. If net zero was never a thing, it would probably be close to a B. It did very well. Before the earnings, I gave Gevo a hold, and now I gave Gevo a hold. But anyways, that's my first impressions. Take care, have a great day, and eat your vegetables.